gonna be right about the right length. Obviously this is going to be on the back. I bought side bolt extenders to put into the side mounts on the battery. To get the old bolt out, you just take these pliers and you have to wiggle it back and forth. It's kind of a pain, but that's what they look like. Now to put that one in. Good to go. I just have to put these on here. It's not super pretty, and I didn't do it super straight, but that's okay. Now we'll just slide this on. So there's one heat shrink job. Now for the switch. I'm just gonna do it probably 8 inches to a foot below, just so that it's in a generic, easy to reach area no matter what battery put this on or a different truck. Because all I gotta do for this switch is in the power line, splice it in right wherever I want it on the power line, and put some more of those copper colored fittings in here, and then screw them on. So the switch is kind of handy. On every side has a little piece that you could break out. The switch wired up, pretty easy, and has a little cover. Okay, so we're on the trailer side. Obviously I got some corrosion I should clean off and stuff, but earlier I broke the terminal off. Obviously it's old. This wire's old. Nothing's really that new here. I should probably just get a whole new cable, obviously. It'd be just as easy and as inexpensive as putting on the new terminals, pretty much. But I am going to replace this terminal here for the battery. But then when I apply the trailer cables, that plugs into the back of the ones we just did on the truck. When I apply these, I think I'm just gonna put them straight to the motor. It's just gonna be a little bit more straightforward, and that's gonna be my plan. And then eventually I might replace these. Okay, I got the new terminal on. That's not really connected to this project. Then I got trailer wires, which will be plenty long. Wired up where the positive comes from this battery, and from where the negative goes. So let's give this all a test run. That plugs in quite nicely. Now let's go turn it on. So I'll just turn this on when I get out to take my tarp off. Reach right here, switch that. So there should be juice to the trailer battery now. Here we are. There we go. Seems to be a little faster. Heck of a lot faster than if it doesn't work at all. That is a success for sure. Okay, so these terminals are disconnected. So basically this battery isn't in here except for these accessories. I'm not sure what those are for. I should learn what they are if I'm a junk man. But besides the point, let's give this a try. There it goes. So it seems like it's struggling a little bit more, but definitely faster than it has been on an almost dead battery. Hook this back up, and just disclaimer, I'm not sure how much juice this battery has in it. Probably not very much. I think it's pretty old. I'm not very happy with this battery most of the time. Yeah, so a little bit faster, but now that this battery is getting charged, whenever this is plugged in from the truck alternator, I never have to worry about it again.